Hey everyone, and thanks for joining. I'm Chad Helmlinger, Director of Marketing here at SmartVault. Now, today's going to be a little different. We're not doing slides or a demo. We're just going to have a real conversation about the challenges UltraTax CS firms keep running into, the operational friction that slows firms down, and what firms are doing to solve those problems without having to replace the systems they already rely on. Now, joining me are two people who work with UltraTax firms every single day. Aaron, I'll let you kick us off and introduce yourself.
Sure. Thanks, Chad. My name is Aaron Dick. I'm the director of sales here at SmartVault. And like Chad mentioned, I spend a lot of my time working and consulting with accounting firms and tax preparers that are evaluating ways to improve their efficiency, their workflows, modernize their firms. And really, we work with a lot of clients that are using FileCabinet CS or Onvio. At this point, I've talked to thousands of clients in my tenure here at SmartVault. So we'll talk a lot about the challenges that firms are facing, day to day in their environments.
Thanks, Aaron. And Maddie, over to you.
Thanks, Chad. Hi, everybody. My name is Maddie LeBus. I am the manager of our onboarding and migrations team here at SmartVault. So my team works directly with firms once they decide to move forward with SmartVault. We do help implement the software, migrate data, build out workflows, just overall make sure firms are set up for long-term success. So a lot of what I will be and can be talking about today comes directly from working hands-on with firms during that transition process.
Perfect. Thank you both for those introductions. And really, that's exactly why I wanted both of you to be involved in today's conversation. Because if you're an UltraTax firm, you've probably felt this at some point. It's not just the tax work itself that's difficult, it's everything around it that starts to slow you down. Collecting documents, organizing them, keeping your team aligned, working with clients. And as your firm grows, those things compound. And what's interesting is this isn't just anecdotal. We were doing some research and we saw a report from Accounting Today, and one stat really stood out. It said that 97% of firms said they're not using their technology as efficiently as they could be. So we're going to unpack what's actually causing that and what it looks like to fix it. And more importantly, how you can do that without replacing UltraTax, which is already working for you. So Aaron, let's start there.
Yeah, I would describe the kind of this process as like a relay race, Chad. A document gets handed off, whether it be in person or if a client's uploading through a portal system, or a lot of times firms are printing over documentation from UltraTax and someone's saving it, someone's renaming it. There's a lot of uploads, there's a lot of sharing. Every chance, like when you're doing those type of things, there's a chance for an error or a delay. I was personally on a call with a firm that had about 3,000 returns. They have two full-time people that spend their time managing documents and following up with clients. And this definitely does vary from firm to firm based on their size. But what I've learned over the years that most firms think that's normal. This is how we operate. And that's real issues come into play. So they can't just accept that as the normal. You have people that are in the profession to prepare taxes, and now they're spending their time managing documents instead of doing like meaningful client work. And I think that's where a lot of frustration and burnout starts to happen within these firms.
No, definitely. And honestly, we hear that word a lot, burnout, especially after tax season.
Exactly. Then you think about the movement between systems and people, right? The burnout creates bottlenecks, errors, inconsistencies. I can't tell you how many firms I've talked to that are exhausted from trying to keep things organized and frustrated because files disappear or because everyone has different naming conventions or folder structure design, right? At the end of the day, nothing is standardized.
And like I said, we constantly hear that over and over again. So a little background, when a firm is ready to implement SmartVault, we actually take a really deep dive into how they operate on a day-to-day basis. We really want to understand the full picture so we can recommend the best path forward for their specific situation. But what we are seeing constantly is that everything takes more effort than it should, right? Documents are coming in from email, portals, person scanning still. Then there's, again, that downloading, renaming, changing, editing, re-uploading. It is a constant loop. And we do see this reflected in our workflow data too. A lot of firms report spending hours every week managing documents and work statuses instead of doing true billable work. Not just a feeling, it really is measurable. It's being seen.
Yeah, Maddie, you and Aaron are so right. Let's take that a little bit further into document structure because that's where a lot of this seems to begin and continue to compound.
Yeah, Chad, if I have one complaint that I would say a lot of firms are talking about, it's like the drawer system within the file cabinet world. For anyone unfamiliar, drawers are how file cabinet organizes the documents. They're great at storing things, but they don't really help you run your office day to day, right? There's no visibility, movement, or collaboration within those. So firms end up building a lot of, manual practices or manual processes along the way.
Typically, those processes live in people's heads. So it's put this here, email that person for this, move this after it's signed. Definitely a problem across the industry. And quote another CPA.com survey, 3% firms actually said technology is creating more manual work for them.
Yeah, and I think that's where we hear a lot of firms saying, like, as they're trying to scale, that's where things break.
Yeah. So as we keep mentioning these research studies, right? CPA.com said that firms invested in technology, but they're not getting that efficiency they expected, as both Aaron and Maddie alluded to here. And a lot of that comes down to disconnected systems. What changes with SmartVault?
So compared to drawers, SmartVault really is just night and day different. To actually have out of the box structured folders, firms can still customize those structures by client or even by engagement type. It can also, again, be automatically created for you because we already have an out of the box structure ready to go. This is industry proven folder structure that keeps things standardized and organized. Again, no setup required. That's how it arrives. For example, our folders, we have a client source documents folder where clients upload into. We have internal prep that stays separate. And final documents are clearly organized. We like to make it very obvious what clients can and cannot access, just so everybody remembers. There's no double checking. We have that same structure. We recommend it across the entire firm because that's critical to keep up with. Imagine your team not even having to think about where to save or find things. They just follow the structure, right? You look at tax professionals like Don Brolin, for example, strongly emphasizes this consistency too. She actually calls it the single source of truth.
All of those things sound wonderful, but one hesitation we hear most often, right, is okay, but I don't want to lose what I'm used to.
Yeah, and that's definitely valid, right? If you're still using FileCabinet CS, unfortunately, you don't really have a choice but to move on to something at some point due to the sunsetting, right? But the question becomes like, what's the strongest option to help our firm grow and scale? In other firms and other systems, you're not losing your data. You still have your clients, your folders, your documents. But things change when you implement a new system. And, for the most part, it's for the better. It's like moving from a basic spreadsheet to a full accounting system. Same concept, but way more capability.
Exactly. A lot of firms come to us. They are nervous about changing processes at first, but we're here to help. Second, we walk them through how everything connects together. We usually hear makes so much more sense. And you can immediately see how much impact even one process improvement can make for a firm.
Sure. And one big thing is the consolidation piece, right? A lot of firms today are paying for separate technology, whether it be storage here and a portal here, a cloud environment, right? That's hosting applications. I think the beautiful thing and some of the great feedback we receive is that clients bring that together under one umbrella with SmartVault. And most firms don't realize they're paying for the same workflow in different places.
Yeah, and that ties directly back again to that 97% stat that we keep referencing. Now, a lot of that inefficiency comes down to systems not working together, as you both have mentioned so nicely. All right, how about another hot topic, right? Let's take a minute. Let's talk about migration.
Yeah. We see a lot of firms coming to us and saying, like, we have so much data we want to bring into our application. And that's where some hesitation shows up. We've also seen a lot of Thomson Reuters firms like go and get quotes for moving their data internally within other applications. We've seen price points up to $18,000, 8 to 12 weeks to migrate. That's like paying to move your books without improving anything at the end of the day.
And I will say with SmartVault, we already know how these systems work and how important data integrity is to accounting firms specifically. Before we even start a migration, we do focus on minimizing downtime and making sure teams are trained and comfortable before fully transitioning away from your old system. While we don't directly extract the data ourselves, we do work with trusted third party migration specialists who know these systems extremely well. Also, support firms that want to handle the migration internally or through their own IT provider, for example. The team works closely with those partners throughout the process to make sure data is uploaded securely, accurately, and even organized properly inside SmartVault. That last part is really important. We're not just dumping the files into a new system and you have to go search through there. We are organizing them into a structure firms can actually use moving forward with the prior year's documents easy to access when they need them on that client's vault. Most firms are fully up and running within a few weeks. Honestly, it's a great opportunity to clean things up and improve processes while things are a little bit slower between tax seasons. So you're not just moving the data, you're improving the experience around it.
Awesome. I think another key point is your data is yours too, right? We don't lock it in or we don't try to hold it hostage, right? If you needed to get the data out of SmartVault, there's some easy ways to do that as well.
Yeah, so well said, both of you. Now let's get more specific on the UltraTax integration itself. One of the biggest pain points we hear is how much time gets spent just moving documents around. And that's where smart routing comes in. For anyone unfamiliar, smart routing automatically routes documents into the correct client folder, the tax year, and the document type based on rules that you define. So your team doesn't have to manually organize files all day. We've even had an UltraTax user call them, and I quote her here, little robots. That's what she refers to them as because they're basically doing that work for you behind the scenes.
Yeah, that's a great description, right? SmartVault is basically autopilots for documents. Instead of asking, like, where does this go? How do I name this? The system handles it all. And it's not just tax returns, right? You can print returns directly from UltraTax and SmartVault, but routing really shows up in value across the entire workflow, whether you're working in other applications and bringing files in, et cetera. But for example, signed documents return automatically into the correct folders within SmartVault. Documents uploaded through Smart Request AI or request documents land where they belong. Engagement letters, organizers, and supporting documents can route automatically too. So instead of reacting to documents, the system is already organizing them for you and improving your efficiency.
And that's really where the time savings show up. Just 2 to 3 minutes per document. I know it doesn't sound like much at first, but it adds up. Multiply that across thousands of documents, turn it into weeks of saved time over, especially over the tax season. Beyond the time savings, it actually removes a lot of the guesswork. Everything ends up where it should be each and every time.
Yeah, and we can't go without calling out automation. It's become such a major focus area across our industry. And we've seen multiple studies that show firms that automate reduce manual work significantly and improve turnaround times. This isn't just a nice to have anymore. It really becomes essential for all firms.
Automation keeps everything organized day to day, especially during a busy tax season when, volume spikes, reliability becomes extremely important in everything to your business. You've got thousands of documents moving at once from all your different clientele. So it's not just about routing, it's about doing it consistently without your team having to step in and manage every little detail. That's the shift. Your system is working with you instead of creating more work for you during tax season.
Yeah. So when you think about everything we've talked about thus far, automation, routing, operational reliability at scale, it really comes down to this one thing. Can you trust the system your firm is built on? Because at the end of the day, you're not just moving documents, you're handling sensitive client data. You're handling deadlines and really your firm's reputation. So let's round this out with security, support, and what firms should actually be looking for here.
I'd say security is crucial, right? We hear firms talking about it all the time, and that's one of the reasons they trust SmartVault with their documents. And so SmartVault is SOC 2 Type 2 compliant. And just to give some differentiation here, there are two types of SOC compliance. Type 1 is more of a snapshot in time. It shows your systems worked at a single point when they were being tested at that point. Alternatively, Type 2, which SmartVault has, tests cybersecurity controls over an extended period. And that's normally typically over 12 months. So it's not just proof that the systems worked once, it's proof that they work consistently over time. And that's something we've achieved year over year. Also, a lot of companies will say SOC 2, but they don't really clarify which type. Firms should absolutely be asking that question holistically when they're talking or interacting with vendors. On top of that, we do offer unlimited storage, unlimited guest users. And what a guest user is basically a client of a firm. So if you're interacting with your accounting or tax preparation firm, like you would be considered a guest user at that point. Lastly, we do offer unlimited e-signature and PDF form fills. So firms are consistently running into, no problems with limitations within our application. SmartVault will grow with you as you continue to scale and hold as much data as you need as well.
And I always love to mention we do not charge for support. Customer care team sits here in Houston with us so firms can get help when they need it, especially during tax season.
Listening to both of you and taking some great notes on some suggestions you both have made, I think the biggest takeaway is that most UltraTax firms don't actually need to replace their tax software that they already trust. UltraTax is still their system of record. It's where the tax work happens, but the friction usually comes from everything around it. The document management piece, the client collaboration, maybe disconnected systems, manual handoffs, and all that operational work happening between the return and the client experience. That's really where firms have the biggest opportunity to improve. And honestly, that's the role SmartVault is designed to play. Think of UltraTax as your engine, and SmartVault is everything helping the rest of the car run smoothly. So firms aren't reinventing how they work, they're removing that friction surrounding the work they're already doing.
Yeah, and I think that's one of the biggest misconceptions. A lot of firms think they need to completely reinvent how they work, and most of the time they don't. They just need the systems around UltraTax to stop slowing their teams down. And with solutions like FileCabinet CS sunsetting, firms are going to have to make a decision either way. The biggest thing is making the most strategically invested decision before the actual sunset occurs. So making a decision now to get your team ramped up and functional is really crucial.
Exactly. And honestly, the window between tax seasons is one of the best opportunities firms have to make a transition like this. You have more time to evaluate your processes, get organized, train your team, implement things the right way before busy season hits again. Once firms start seeing how connected and organized everything can be, there's usually a pretty noticeable sense of relief. Things feel simpler, teams feel less stressed, and clients have a much better experience.
Yeah. So if you want to explore this a little further, we actually put together a resource specifically for UltraTax CS firms. It's entitled Keep What Works, Fix What Doesn't, a guide for UltraTax CS users. And in there, it's going to walk through a lot of the topics we discussed here today in more depth. So workflows, migration, document management, automation, and what firms should be thinking about as they grow. You can check that out at smartvault.com in our resources section. And if you want to actually see the SmartVault plus UltraTax integration in action, definitely check out some of our webinars as well. We walk through real workflows, automation examples, and what the experience actually looks like for firms day to day. Or if you want to go even deeper, you can always connect with our team for a walkthrough tailored to your firm. Aaron, Maddie, I can't thank you enough to both of you for joining me today. This was absolutely great. Thank you once again.
Yeah, thank you, everyone.
Yeah, anytime. Thanks.